Inspired by the sleek speed of a Chevy Corvette and BMW SRR, the ANTA KAI 2-Speed is Kyrie Irving's next evolution in performance footwear. Lighter and more agile than the KAI 1 and KAI 2, the shoe features smooth upper lines, a low-profile sole, and herringbone traction for control and quick cuts. Designed by industry veteran Dallas Stokes, it carries a motorsport aesthetic with functional court-ready performance. The iconic K and 11 emblem is creatively split across the tongue and integrated into the upper. Launching in China this August via ANTA.com, the initial butterfly dance white and purple colorway will be followed by black and pink, black and blue and orange versions. Though pricing isn't final, expect a tag near $125. Blending visual energy and on-court precision, the ANTA KAI 2-Speed proves Kyrie's signature line isn't slowing down anytime soon.